So this is typical entrance. Most of mountains are like this. Like the entrance, there are so many sellers, like local, veggies, fruits, and then mostly for those soup or those pancake.
입니다. 다 맞고 가세요. 요거 지금 10,000원짜리 실시하고 있습니다. 6만 원이에 2단. 24개. 네, 한 단 더 있어요, 이모. 맞고 가세요.
Another apple. 여보, is our breakfast.
Free breakfast.
So amazing. Later. Ah, and here it's yellow. So we didn't have breakfast, but somehow
They're free.
taste tester.
Free taste.
Is there more? No more. No more salads. Oh, the electric car is so quiet.
House for rent.
And
House for sale.
nah. Homestay.
I like the first one better.
But we still need to eat something. You okay? Not eating? Later?
How long is it going to take this one?
We'll just go 1.5 hours and come back.
I want that.
Wow.
알겠어요. 그럼 잠깐 올라오죠. 알겠습니다.
별 보세요. 이게 버섯, 얘 오징어 같잖아요. 고기 같고 막 오징어 같잖아요. 이런 버섯 잘 없습니다. 이거 비싼 버섯.
시식하고 가세요, 송어버섯.
예예.
버섯 시식하고 가세요.
내려오실 때 들리시면 저희 서비스 많이 드릴게요.
I think we're here to eat.
I think this is not a hike. This is food.
This one nice.
So long.
Wow. Look at that. Look at that rock. So now, finally. entrance is, yeah, the mountain is like this, surrounded, and only entrance is here.
야, 이거 서봐, 나 박아줄게. 야, 이거.
Let's go, my love. We're out.
Out of the crowd for a moment.
Yeah, it's so noisy that it makes me feel like ooh.
I can see the end. It's so near.
At least we have some quiet. It's not exactly cheese.
Of course not. If it's real cheese, it just melt. Mix of this and that. Yeah, not even cheese. Very foggy. So this is typical food court of the service area, like that.
But not all service areas.
Yeah.
You need this cafe is just located inside this food hall. So this food hall has convenience, food court, and then cafe. We ordered iced Americano with extra shot because this guy needs more caffeine.
생일 축하합니다.
오빠 가족 사진.
Sushi. Are you sure you're okay carrying 2 plates? Oh, I didn't notice it's so. I thought it's carrots. Bell pepper, mushroom. A balloon? Oh. It looks like a balloon.
작은 아빠 봐도 뭐 별로 반응도 없고. 보는 게 일이야. 내가 그러면. 설마 그 정도까지 돈이 없어. 맛있어. 아니,
Rice.
사과토마토. 방울토마토야 똑같아.
But of course, these days mostly sugar.
Yeah.
맛이 진짜 희한한 맛있대.